first I made a flat file like flat 2, but I was not able to give 2 records per row. I was not understanding how it can be done. So I made a physical file.
So why you have taken PF2 there?
Where?
At the top, this one.
Oh, okay.
So I told you to find the this program got compiled.
No.
So how I told you now how to rectify the errors.
I looked that, but I not getting that properly. With the
How?
SP thing, I looked it.
If you go there, it might be in there. So if you go SP, every company don't provide SP. So you try work SPLF. Take here Shift F6 to go to bottom. The last program will be your latest compilation. Go to bottom, and in bottom you will page up severity 30. Page up and go with the, so it will telling that name or indicator is not defined. So copy it and give there, Control V, Shift F4. Now this is the issue 30. So in which sequence? So you copy here 200. We don't need front. So flat file indicator is not defined. You have not initiated, right? You go there, it will tell you in this line the error is there. This flat file, from flat file you are asking, but this is not defined anywhere. Right?
Okay.
Keyword exfmt not allowed for runtime. Why who asked you to use the exfmt? How, from where you have copied this?
That from that
It is
program
not,
only.
it is not exfmt, it is something else.
EXTFMT. It is in the program only.
Which program you have copied?
That is example 2.
Oh, lots of error in the code also you can find here. This is the best way to find the work spool file.
Okay. Yeah, this one.
Exfmt is to keyword to avoid decimal data error. This is not necessary. That will throw. Now if you go and compile it,
And this one also. This one, if you change also, where after saving also, again if you come and look, same thing will be there. SMT, that same thing. Can you just check now? No, you have changed that
so every
source,
time
right? That
it will
debugging
every
thing.
time SMT, right? So you have to every time change that thing. That is IBM supplied properties. You can't make, so that's why you have to take for every program you have to do it.
Okay, fine. Now you have done for that program, right? And now it will be changed to source, right?
Yes.
Can you please check it once more?
Yes. What happened?
Now can you check it? Can you please go down?
What happened?
It is changed STMT.
I told you it will be like this only. This is the background with 14 option. This is the
Uh,
14 option statement. Create bind RPG.
uh,
Your object has been saved with source.
uh,
Now you will call the object, right? Once object I told you
uh,
that the member contains the source, but you can't see the source unless and until this debug has been there. You have compiled it. Compilation means object will be compiled. Work we don't bother about this member. We
uh,
bother about object. That object consisting of source or not. So
uh,
verify that BGM003. Okay.
uh,
Now this object, this program will be called, not your the front one. This compiler will understand what has been written inside this object.
uh,
In the debug, you will see this thing. Now see, just PRDBG BGM003. We need to update the productions files. Okay. Now we do that STMT to source for this thing. We are calling the debug this object, not the member. Member never state that it is a program. Object will show you the program status. Now see, this is the source. And do one thing, come out and NDDBG work object, delete it. Okay. Work object, delete it. Okay. Now if you will go, there is nothing object. Okay. By default, it is you telling that it is STMT. I am just compiling it. Program will be compiled if there is nothing error. But once you will go into the debug, it will ask you for object has been created, but that object doesn't consist of what has been written as a source. We play with objects, not with the member. Source not available. So how to attach source in the object during compilation? That is option 14, or create bind RPG. That is the command 14. Okay. You will not get unless and until you have used that option to get the source. Now if you will compile again now, and this is by default, it will every time it will come to old source, means without source, STMT. Okay. So you have to every time you have to, for every program member, you have to replace it, whether it is CL or RPG or QL. SOURC. The position will be changing. For that, you have to make it quick. Or take F4, other options also. Now it will ask that object is already there. Do you want to delete it or no? So yes, delete the existing object and then replace the new object. Okay. Now the source will be included inside the decimal data error occurred. When decimal data error occurred, So why you have created flat file as a physical file?
I was not able to make it like in a 2 records per row in a flat file.
And what you have done? Hmm?
Hmm?
What you have done in the physical file? What this?
Given
What?
character.
Why?
Mm-hmm.
Hmm? Data decimal is the same thing. Here you have
Mm-hmm.
given character, and in the program it is defined as P.
Yes,
How it will
yes.
P is for numeric. Now I don't want data to be used. What I will do?
What? You don't want?
I don't want data to be loose from this file. You have updated data. I need to
Uh,
revise it. What is the command?
you don't want to. Oh, I forgot that.
If I will compile, data will be erased, right?
That data will be lost.
Hmm.
That is change pf.
What is the
chgpf.
C?
chgpf.
Too slow. What
No,
your
it's
source file?
that is bksrc.
Hmm.
bkbc1.
This is the wait time. So field cannot be changed for the file. Hmm. Field D1 cannot be changed for the flat file.
One. Mm.
So I have changed the flat file. Okay.
Mm.
And now I am not compiling the program. I'm
Mm.
just calling. What will be the issue?
You're just calling it. So object will not be created.
Hmm? Object is already of this program.
You're just calling it.
You got the output?
Yes.
You have initialized 12 time loop, so it will come 12 times.
Mm-hmm.
The rest data is not found.
Mm-hmm.
It is. So we need to compile also. See, after making the changes in physical files, we need
Mm-hmm.
to compile, but it is already there. You have not changed in the program and it's already with the numeric, so it's
Mm-hmm.
working. Otherwise, we need to compile the program also after changing any change in the PF, any
Mm-hmm.
field change, single point also or zero also you have inserted in a PF. You need to compile your program. Otherwise, it
Mm-hmm.
will get file time issue
Mm-hmm.
or run.
And one more thing, you were telling like we need to start from the sixth position
Yes.
yesterday.
Mm-hmm.
But here I have started from the first position.
How it you have started from first position?
Sorry?
How you have started from first position? Hmm. Where you have started from first position? One, two, three, four, five, six. It
Okay.
is six.
How it? I know how it is coming. No, I actually what I did was I was taking each line by line. I copy and paste. When I was doing the complete thing, copy and pasting, it was not coming properly. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So now how it came to sixth position? Can you please explain me how it's working?
I have already told you. You have to look. You have to find that
Uh,
shortcut key. In last class, I have told you
shift
already.
F shift F7. That I know. Shift F7, right?
The same thing I did.
No, but I was pasting from the first position only.
Yeah, it will adjust it. Means if you are pasting from line number, no,
Uh,
here, so it will adjust from this one F7. If it is
okay.
written here, it is already coming here. So line number is taking from 1, 2, 3, 4. Likewise, so it is already trimming that thing. So
Mhm.
this way that will work.
Okay.
So take shift F7 and adjust the line.
Mhm.
Any other issue?
No, it's okay. Fine. Now debug it was not coming, but when I just tried now, as you said, it is coming. Now I will see that video and I will check out the debugging. I will see.
Okay, in debug you have to do anything. Have you done the second one? Yeah, after this one, the longest
Runtime.
program. This one.
This one is not done.
Okay, try this one.
Okay, good.
Now, as we have started RPG,
Mm-hmm.
so you note down data structure is pending. This is not our concern. This is also not our concern. Compiler directives we will go to. Data queue is CL part. FTP we need in higher version. It is not needed. Little bit brief we will do it. Journaling not needed. Support guys do the journaling. They will ask questions, just you have to mug up the things. A screen design already completed, right?
Yeah, yes.
You have done now?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Now you have to mug up this thing. Display, sorry, display file keywords are there. How we are using these things in the display file, okay? Already
Mm.
I have told you, but you have to revise by yourself. Everything is there. Check, color, cursor, location, date separator. These all are uh, screen design keywords. So you have to
Like
subfile.
like you told the user to get the user details of which who is logged and the date,
Yeah,
time,
yeah,
like that.
okay, that's same thing. SFL we will cover in subfile, while these all things you have to return cursor, page up, page down. Before that you have to mock up the things. Just remember these keywords and go through. Users I have already told you, timestamp, time format, time, sysname. Inside the design how we are getting SFL size. These all are subfile. Once will come subfiles. First we are coming to RPG specs, because you have started writing RPG, okay? So these
Mm-hmm.
are the specification: H, F, D, I, C, O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
That day I was confused with E and I, which one
Yes.
we are. L was omitted. So I spec after D you can use in the RPGLE, and after O we are using P, procedures. So
Mm.
instead of H, calico, we are using H, F, D, I, C, O, P. Okay.
Mm.
H spec already I have told you that you have to take IPF, IPH, or you take line number, you just type H, and the sixth position take F4. It will give you this, and it will give you prompt like, see, IPH, you just type command IPH, okay? For IPs, for IPF, you have to write IPF. Same as IPD, IPC, IPI, IPO, and IPP procedures.
What is this actually? Like how is it working?
Now you are here. So it is
Mm.
asking, it will come like sometimes this one. So how we will insert one line in
Mm.
which format? So I want to start IPC. It will give you this format of prompt specification C. Now you can
Okay.
calculation operations this. I don't want this. So I need to start with, again it will be coming like this. Oh, how to start the coding. So
Mm.
in which specification you want to go? IP H. Just press. It will be header. Here you can write any heading. no debug deg input output. It will be like header. Now I don't want, it will be continuation of the previous specifications. Now you are telling that it is starting from first position. You just press F5 and take shift F7. It will not take from first position, it is automatically aligned to sixth position. So now you want to switch to other specification IPF. Now you will get the prompt for physical file to define here. Here we define physical file type, everything will be there. What type? Take F1 on everything and read it, because this is very important.
And this is like in now the array programs which we have written. In that the top there are some FMTF file name plus plus IP. All these things are coming from these specifications.
You
Is it
have
like that?
written file 2 IT
Ah,
in the array. That was
ah.
written in this format from
Okay,
type
okay,
file
okay.
specification. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so this will open for IPF. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
now I want to open new line, just new line. Here also you can type F and take F4. It will give you the same thing what the IPF is giving for you.
Mm-hmm.
So these are the two ways to conclude here. Any specification you want to go, what you can write on each specification, these are the shortcut keys.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, date format, you can try these things, these keywords you have to remember it, what we can write in the header. This is not to mug up, it will be there on the site, but you have to remember we can do it. Debug, no debug input output means in debug session longer program, you don't want input output process, so you can write there header no debug input output, so it will escape the input output processing, it will just jump. Okay, so these are the specifications, nothing to do in that, only it will give you the format. Suppose you want to see the, I have already shown you. So in D you can define it, C you can calculate it, calculate IPC, you can do any type of calculation here. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
just these are the opcodes that will be used in calculation. So that these are the opcodes will be ready. With operator extender in between the opcodes. What this means: H for padding, H for half alignment, something like that. H is for half adjusted. N is for to read a file without lock. E is for error handling, blank. Don't want any kind of extender with the opcodes. P is for padded with blanks. So these are the E, H, and P keys. These are the extenders that are mostly used inside the opcodes. Factor 2 results. Every specifications details will be given here. So you have to learn these things. Okay. We'll learn this so we can start the program easily, and we can continue. So mug up the things, okay? Then we will start opcodes, basic opcodes. Okay. You try
Mm-hmm.
to execute these programs. Okay. Add, simple add. It will be like what you did for array, the same way you have to do this for opcodes. Okay. Have to do it, debug it, and do it. So we can give you scenario based concept. So this will be your hands-on practice. Don't tell that it is like just kids, but these are the basic things, because it will come in 10,000 lines. You have to do everything in a fraction of second. because add, delete, they are not asking. Just you have to add in these things. So everything initialization, how initialization working, when it has been initialized, how we are moving to this jumping, how these indicators are working. So everything is aligned. Factor one, you have to remember in DS specifications how the data is, where the data is coming from and where it is adjusting, and CS specification, what is the factor one, factor two. After this, you can do it. How debug is very important. You can learn the debug on this only. See the debug session. 1 second. These are the advanced thing that I will tell you later on. Built-in function. Just go through this, all the topics, okay, and try on the practical part. Don't skip the practical. What you are pending the practical one for every day class, because if you don't pick the practical, theory is very less in this. Everything set on practical. You have to now everything you have to mug up. I will overview. Add means simple add duration, how the time and duration have been added. Add xx, add equal to, add less than equal to, like xx can be anything. Big SR, no need to do it now. Cab, no need. Call, no need. Call B, no. Call P, no. Yes, you can do it. Cat, this is the simple concat, so you can do it. Chain, no need to do. Check, you can do it. This is a single coding program. Checkout, clear, do it. Close, not needed. Compare, do it. Define, do it. Delete, do it. Divide, do until you can do it. Do while you can do it. Okay. Just write the coding, whatever written there. Otherwise, search on the Google and write it. Display, you can do it. Dump, uh, dump try, but I don't. There will be any code for it. End SR, it will be there. And YY, you can do it. Eval, you can do it. Eval is assignment operator. Int a equal to 0. So eval a equal to b, or any value a equal to 10. So that is the thing. You make a note. I need to explain you difference between move L, eval R. Okay, I will tell you in the next class. After you will write the code, then I will explain it. Move L, eval R.
Which one? Move.
Yeah, move, move, coming down, coming
Move.
down.
Okay.
First you write eval R.
Uh,
Except not needed, don't do it. Exfmt, if you have designed one screen, you can try this one, exfmt. Okay. EXR, you can do it. Extract, you can do it. For, go to, if, effects, these all are simple opcodes, so you can do it. Iter, you can do it. Key field, you can do it. Keylist, okay. Leave, do it. Leave SR, do it. Lookup, you have to what you have done in array, so here it is lookup, you can do it. Monitor, move, you write this, move P, move LP, move L. Difference between these all. Multiply, you can do it. Move remainder, you can do it. Don't only do it, but I will ask you these things. Okay, is how many opcodes you can remember by the name. Occur, do while, until, case, go to, if else, read, see. So you have to mug up the thing. Means you don't know that you should understand the concept, but you should recall it once needed, because these are the backbone of your coding. Every, at least you should know the functions, right? You have to be thorough on this one, because if you skip this exercise on practical, you can't be a good coder. These are the only things that we merge on a single page. These are the functions of AS400, because without this, calculation and logics can't be properly attained. Occur, you can do it. On error, you can do it now. Open, You can try, but no, you can't be get it in that. Or X you can do other. You can do with select out. You can do it param. You can do it plist. Don't do touch this one. Read C, read equal, read P. Okay, these are
Mm,
file level commands. I will tell you in detail. Don't
mm,
touch that one. Read till read P. Don't touch this. Return you
mm,
can do it. Scan you can do it. Select you can do it. Set GT. Don't touch. Set LL. Don't touch. Set off, set on. These are simple indicator on off variable. Sort you can do it. Sub you can do it. Subtraction. Sub duration. Sub string you can do it. Tag test time you can do it. Unlock you can do it with data area. Update don't touch. When you can do it. Write don't touch but write the code. Exful you can do it. Escalate Z at Z sub. So these are the basics. You can do it. Whatever the written, there will be code inside everyone. You have to copy and you have to debug it to understand the logic. For every opcode. If you are spending 5 minutes on every opcode, it will make your backbone of AS400. Without this, if I will write the code for you, you never understand the logic. Okay, so take
Mm-hmm.
time, 1 day, 2 day, to practice all these things. Because if you skip these 85 opcodes today, you will very tough to coordinate the logic. Okay? So if you
Mm-hmm.
get
no,
any
but
help
no, no, but
in
I'm asking this
that,
RPGLE. What are the basics of
yes,
this? That one you will be telling me later.
these are the basics.
Okay, so but no, how to write that codes? There is something
Which code?
like no, these
Which code?
RPGLE codes.
Man, these are not RPGLE codes. These are opcodes.
Uh,
Okay. So what you have to do? Uh, this is ZAD program. Okay. You
mm,
have nothing to worry about. You have to just copy it. Okay.
okay.
As you
Mm,
did for array, I have to
mm,
just go there. Function F5. Delete it. And you take I9 and you just come here, control V, paste it. Okay,
mm,
now it's showing the error. Function shift F7, function. Okay. Now you have to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. दो तीन चार पाँच छः 1 2 3 4 5 6. Or you don't want to do that, take function, take F4 here. Now JDAD has been shifted more. Everything you have to shift it backwards. It will, you will now in this way you will learn from where this decimal position. So decimal position is not 2, it is length is 2 and decimal position should be 0. High low level indicator we don't know, comment we don't know, date. Now automatically date will be aligned, right? Function
mm,
F5, we don't need, these are the dates of that time 2013 it has been written. So this will,
okay.
this is RPG coding, so it's
Mm,
coming like, or the screenshot they have taken not correctly. So it is
mm,
here. Now date is here. Now what happened? Just insert it. Okay. Insert it. You have to just align it. Codes are already there. Your part will be debug. In debug, you have to analyze. Okay, JDAD. What is the JDAD? So JDAD function will do every time it will 0. Okay, and it will add the new value. Okay, every time it will 0 the blank. It will make, if it is numeric, it will blank, make it 0. And add will, every time it will replace, not making the 0, but it will add on. Previous value is 11, add the value, suppose 10, so 21, again 21 plus 10, 31. Likewise it will retaining, but jade add means every time it will clear the b value and then adding. Okay, so this concept, it will come from debugging. So you have to just make it. Take F4, take F1. F1 is there for help. Okay, if the program is not compiling, so this is the program you have to write. Jade add coding. By now you will come to know JDAD. Oh, JDAD coding is in this one. Like seeing the text. Okay, JDAD opcode coding. Op code. Simple. Now if you go there, 1 4, again 4 4, 10. You have to, for every program, write compiled. If it is not, then try to do the. Now you know the str debug. Debug it. You will come to know the logic. This is the simple thing you have to do it. It hardly took 5 minutes. It will hardly take 1 day. Okay. Now in debug will take time. You have to understand every opcode is of like 4 to 5 lines maximum, and hardly there will be 10 opcodes that will be 20 lines or 25. That to just know the basic. This is the only thing to. These are display. Here it covered already. A JDAD display set on. So these three opcodes have been covered here. So once you come for display, no need to write. You understand. Oh, display means variable A is there. So you will come to know one by one. Okay, start from beginning and do it like this.
Okay.
But complete your previous session to revise it. This is how it's working. Tomorrow we can take a break, then day after tomorrow we can do it,
Okay. Fine.
or on Friday. But please do the practical, then ping me that. If you have problem, then you can ping that. Shall we have question session or likewise? But I need the
Okay.
85 of practicals, and I need this one to be mugged. I will ask question from this one. There are, for every specifications there are something, so you go through thoroughly, because once you will cover these two, subfile is something where it will take time. These all are the heavier topics, so these are the basics of RPG. You have to mug up by heart, and after that you will be enjoying this session. This is the
Okay.
latest one, so you will be just you have to recall it. Okay, you remember.
Okay.
Please make note that I need to explain movel. If you will be explaining me difference between movel and eval, move and eval are, so that will be fine. You have to trace out what's the difference, how the debug is changing, code will be working, what is the main scenario. So you can, there will be explained, but you have to trace the into the debug session. You can trace it into only into the debug session. Otherwise, there is nothing like that. So there will be 4 5 scenarios for that you have to trace out. At least trace 2 or 3.
At least.
At least try to find in the debug session 1 or 2.
Uh-huh.
Okay.